Alright, welcome back. So today we're going to start off with printing in C. And if you're familiar with Python and how we printed, let's say, hello, something like that, well, this is going to give us an error because we're missing a semicolon and a printf. So now we can print the word hello. Alright, so if you print hello and you want to print it, let's say, twice, like that, you're going to get hello, hello on the same line. But if you want both separated, then you're going to do \n, but you have to put this inside of the quotations. So now you can have them separated, just like that, line by line. Another thing is you can put as many \n's as you want, and it will just keep separating how many spaces are between your two print statements. So if you want to insert a slash, because now if you notice, putting a slash in here will turn it into a command pretty much. So if you want to insert a slash, let's say insert like this backslash, like a slash like that, all you'd have to do is do printf, and then you'd have to do // and do /n. So a // will give you only one of those slashes, just like this. So if you print insert a slash here, these slashes will become invisible. But if you do // you'll get a slash when you print it. Now, if you want to use double quotes, you're going to notice that they don't appear when you print. So let's say you want to use double quotes like that. Well, you're going to notice when we print it, the double quotes won't pop up because it pretty much ends this part, and then this quote will add into a different part of your print statement. So what you're going to have to do is do another backslash and a quote. So then we can do \n, and that would give us a space. So if we wanted to print something like, let's say, hello, then that backslash will give us a space. Now, if you want to put a tab as well, that would just be, let's say, so you want to put in like a tab, like that, then you'd have to do just \t, and give it the word tab, just like that, and you get something that looks like this, without even having to put as many spaces as you want. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you learned something from it.